Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a new product which I have received called bird watching camera. So this is the packaging, and on top of it is written it has a solar charging, it has a large capacity, FHD video recording, 1.44 inch TFT LCD, 0.8 second trigger time, and day and night use. Sounds quite interesting. Let's see what else we have on the packaging. Alright, so it comes with cable and some equipment. Let's open it up and see what we have got. It's quite a tough packaging, I would say. So this is how it looks like. Pretty large, I would say. So let's put the box away. So this is a very large user manual which is somehow also destroyed in the box. I'm not sure what these things are, but yeah, looks like these. Okay, so this is the USB power, so you can turn it on like this. There's a TF card as well in here. Let's turn it on. So interesting. So there's a small screen in here, and that's where the bird comes in. I assume this is like probably it connects to somewhere. Let's read it. There's a proximity sensor in here, and let's see what we have got. Format, yes. Default settings, what else? Language, video loop, screensaver, auto power off, photo resolution. Let's see what we have. 3 megapixel, 5 and 8, and default was 8. So there are two, I'm not sure what they are. Probably, so this is the camera in here. I think this is a microphone. There's a speaker here, and so quite interesting design, I would say. So here in the background is empty, and that's where the food goes in, I assume. So I'm not sure how this can be opened, but quite interesting. And these are the solar panels on the top, and that's how it could be actually managed, or this is where it can be charged. So let's have a look what else we have got in here. So open the box. Oops. So the whole box is destroyed when it's opened. The kind of strap in here. Another USB cable inside. And this is a kind of connection point. So let's have a look at the user manual, what we have got. So there we go. So product, so it comes in German, English and French. Water sink, so this is the water sink, really small, I would say. Handlebar mount, hummingbird feeder. Interesting. So this is a hummingbird feeder. So let's see where it can be connected. Seems like this thing can be connected to here. So like this is for water. And what else we have got in here? So let's have a look. Use the smart bird feeder. Insert the TF card before powering up. Feeder use cycle modes. So it has a kind of feeder as well. So it's an automatic feeder, seems like. Select the button icon and click on it to enter the recording mode. What else we got in here? Note, it's nighttime or external environment is dark, the camera light sensor will automatically turn on. I see. So this is a light sensor for camera, which means based on the brightness, this will turn on and off. Interesting. Alright. I'm still not sure how this can be connected. Perhaps this can be connected from here. Yeah, there we go. Which means if someone wants to feed the hummingbird, cannot put the water tank. Well, interesting. So let's put all of them next to each other. So what is this one? Let's have a look again. So that is a kind of handlebar mount adapter. So whatever it is. So I just saw some information about the product, 1.3 megapixel. Let's have a look at the English description in here. Probably the last page of English. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Image sensor 1.3 megapixel. Image size 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel or 5. Video resolution, so it could be VGA, HD or Full HD. Not bad. Full HD quite okay. LED display 1.44 inch. Storage up to 32 gigabytes, quite okay. Sensing distance around 3 meters, quite good. 100 degrees lens. Working time day and night, and 1000 milliampere hour Lion. Lithium battery. Size is basically 17 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 13 centimeter, and around 320 grams. Quite an interesting product. I'm going to definitely mount this on the tree in my yard and test it to see how it works and operates. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm always having new products reviews, so ensure to subscribe to see the latest videos. Thank you and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.